9 anniversaries is not easy journey. With the 9 teenagers, the period, the major teenagers running around, Ariya Vihara able to establish within 9 years period, you're going to have it for your own shelter. It's not that easy things. Shelter not purchased by yourself, raise shelter, apply to the government. The Selangor government allocate the place due to your merits as well. It's not that simply easily can get it, Whatever you've done for the community, the realization that, and also the recognize your own the effort in order to serve mankind, especially for the spiritual journey. That's why they're given for that piece of land. The Ariya Vihara establishment for the society, establishment of the Sunday school, establishment of charity activities, establishment, for the doing so much, the charity welfare and the social activities beside the spiritual activities. That's very important. Be able to touch, be able to reach the people. That's another important thing. Being the lay person, especially for the female person, bhikkhuni, there's no barrier to communicate with the women. Much easier. They're able to discuss certain things. That's why Ariya is important part of that to have it in this country. Then able to do the bigger service. We require more ladies to realize, their time able to contribute to the Sasana development in the Bhikkhuni Sangha development in Malaysia. That's a great dana. I strongly believe it. If you want to perform certain dharma to the mankind, it's a golden opportunity. Yes.
Namo Buddhaya. Dear Venerable Sangha, Bhikkhu, Bhikkhuni, and esteemed members of the laity, on this auspicious occasion of our Ariya Vihara Buddhist Society's 9th anniversary, we gather with hearts full of gratitude and joy for the journey we have shared as the Ariya Vihara Buddhist Society. Together, we have embraced the teachings of the Buddha and nurtured a community grounded in compassion, wisdom, and unity. We extend our deepest appreciation to all members of the EXCOs, committee members, volunteers, sponsors, and donors who have generously supported our endeavors. Your dedication has been instrumental in bringing forth countless noble and wonderful Dhamma programs that have enriched the lives of both monastic and lay practitioners alike. Throughout the years, we have witnessed the transformative power of our retreats, camps, and family programs, providing spiritual nourishment and fostering deep connection within our community. Each milestone, from our fruitful consecrations to our ongoing building projects, reflects our collective commitment to growth and shared purpose.
Happy 9th anniversary Ariya Vihara. Greetings you by the Dhamma.
We are profoundly grateful for everyone's continuous support towards our building fund and projects, which have laid the foundation for our future growth and outreach. Your contribution have made a significant difference and ensured that our aspirations continue to manifest into reality.
Happy 9th anniversary Ariya Vihara. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Happy 9th anniversary Ariya Vihara. Walking the Dhamma path together. Thank you so much. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
As we celebrate this milestone, let us reaffirm our shared commitment to the path of Dhamma, guided by the noble principles of wisdom, compassion, and mindfulness. Together, we look forward to more successful years ahead, filled with blessings, harmony, and the fulfillment of our collective aspirations.
Happy 9th anniversary, Ariya Vihara. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary, Ariya Vihara. We are from Ariya San.
Ariya Vihara, happy 9th anniversary. May all the noble projects of Ariya Viharas be successful and materialize as soon as possible for the happiness and benefits of the many. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Suki Hotu，时光飞逝，阿利亚今年9周岁了。在这一路里，感谢大家一路以来的护法和支持。在此我祝福阿利亚越来越壮大，展望未来，也祝福大家法喜充满，平安吉祥。Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
With heartfelt appreciation and warmest regards, we wish all of you far and near good health, prosperity, harmony, and wisdom. May all receive the blessings of the Triple Gem and realize the bliss of awakening soon. Thank you.
Happy 9th anniversary, Ariya Vihara. Long live the Buddha Sasana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Together we grow in the Dhamma. Happy 9th anniversary, Ariya Vihara. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Suki Honto, my name is Heng. I'm the architect for the new Ariya Vihara project. Just to update of the current status of progress. The access route for the building has been awarded to a contractor and the work has been progressing smoothly and will be completing very soon. Just for update, the building department from Majlis Perbandaran Shah Alam has made their comment and the project has been approved in principle. All the amendments have been prepared and submitted, and the formal building plan approval will be out very soon. And for the tender process have been mobilized, and we will be called very soon, and we expect once everything finalized, tender can be awarded as early as around September or October 2024. So the expected completion period for this project will be around 2 years plus. But it all subject to whether there's a sufficient fund to do it. As of today, the fund is not enough to actually complete the whole project. So we actually hope everybody, devotees, friends of Buddhists, who can contribute by donating more to Ariya Vihara so that we can get all this project finished as fast as possible. And we can share this merit with everybody. Happy 9th anniversary for Ariya Vihara.